I hope I'm not stuck. I was not aware of this, so I'm stuck. Oh, shit. Damn it. I was not aware of that. Ah, I didn't go fast enough. Oh, good save. Looks like it's gonna be one of those, boys. What is this?
Let's go.
Please no, Hammer Bro. Ooh, yeah. put a boss. Thanks for that. Yes!
Let's go.
I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'm moving forward. But I do have to kill you. Well, at least I got. Oh man, this is gonna be interesting. Well, actually, not really, not really. As long as I can keep my fireball. Oh, give me another fireball. Oh, come on. Come on, please. Oh. One more time. God. Oh, fuck you, bro. I'll take that. Whatever it takes. Oh, get out of here. Just get out. Oh, cheap. What the hell am I supposed to get up there? Yeah, like that. I get it like that. Hold on. Ah! Damn, Goomba. Oh, I could have made it. God damn it, Cheep. Yeah, now that I'm not big. Oh, what a good job. Damn. Alright. One more time. Nah, fuck it. Get out of here. Get out of here. Just bypass him. Oh. Oh, just bypass him. Just bypass him. Oh, just get away. Just get. Forget it. I'm not wasting my lives on there. Nope. No thanks.
Oh no!
Forget it. Damn. Oh, fuck you, bro. Wasted a good life for nothing. Seriously. Oh, and you rising too? Okay. do that? Oh, should I use my last life on that? Honestly, I'm not sure if I should use my last life on that. I don't know. Damn, I'm so close to my PB. My personal best. So fucking close, bro. No, I'm not wasting my life on that shit. Now I have to be picky with this last life. Ugh, damn. No, 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 no. No, no. Not wasting my life on any of that shit. Give me a good one. Bastards. Let's keep going. We're doing good too. Almost made it to a high score. A new high score PB. Ain't that some shit? But no. Get up. Oh, I can't get up. That's a little hole. Oh, that was my fault. I know what I was supposed to do. That was my fault. So what do I do from there? Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Can't stop like that. You can't stop like that. Yeah, I missed it.